In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a real simple stool that'll cost you about less than $8. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my 2x8x8. I'm going to cut 2 at 14 inches. And then I'm going to set my saw to about a 10-degree angle. I'm going to cut 2 more, which will be the leg. I'm going to put 10-degree angles on each end. That way it kind of has a nice little slant to it whenever I attach those legs to the bottom here. Now I'm going to grab those 2 14-inch pieces, go ahead and glue those together, put some glue in there, spread it around, and then go ahead and put some clamps on there. Let that sit for a good while to get a nice, good bond there. Kind of see the lines out here, kind of the angle I'm looking for. If you don't have a lot of selection of tools, you could use a circular saw here, and I'll kind of show you how I did it. I'm basically just going to adjust it after about every 3 or 4 cuts. Just adjust it about a 1/4 inch in depth, and you can kind of see the angle slowly starting to come out here. It takes a little bit of time, but it's just a real simple way to use it. This is only if you don't have a lot of selection of tools. And after that, I'm going to grab my sander. I'm going to put on 60 grit sandpaper and just kind of give a real nice good sanding here. Kind of get rid of all those lines. You'll slowly kind of see it come together here. It kind of smooths out. And once I'm done with the 60 grit, I'll go to probably 120 and kind of give a nice little bit of a smoother finish. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and put underneath my saw here and go ahead and cut all 4 sides. That way I have a nice, clean, level look. And then I'll grab my sander and go ahead and start sanding around it and pretty much get rid of all the straight edges, make them all kind of a small little curve. Just kind of helps it look a little bit better there. Now I'm going to grab my 2 boards that I cut earlier and go ahead and cut each side just to kind of give the same width of the actual top of the stool here. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my sander and kind of sand all around it again, trying to get rid of those straight edges, kind of make a little bit of a curved look to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my pocket holes in, put 4 on each leg, go ahead and attach that to the bottom. And once I get done with that, I'm going to go ahead and do some sanding here, just to, again, try to make sure there's no more straight edges. They're all got kind of curves all around all the edges. Grab some putty if you need to, fill in some of the holes or any blemishes that you don't want to see. And then once you're done, this is something what it should look like here. Once that wood putty dried, I'm going to go ahead and do my last little bit of sanding here, and I'll be pretty much just about done here. After that, it's just up to you if you want to leave it a wood look or if you want to go ahead and paint it. I chose to do white paint because I had some extra paint left over, but this is pretty much going to be the finished product. And here's a real simple stool you can make for less than $8. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my page. I'm going to try to put up some more videos. That way you can do your own affordable backyard woodworking.